Hey guys, it's Kelly here from Armed and Feminine, and we are going to be helping out the Polite Society broadcast on their YouTube channel by doing several instructional videos for new gun owners. You know, we've had an onslaught of new gun owners lately, and we're so happy you're here. So we want to teach you how to be safe and how to work a gun properly. So I'm going to talk about how to load magazines today. We're going to do that two different ways. We're going to do them manually, just our hands, and we're going to use a speed loader. This one is an Uplula. So first, let's talk about how we do this if we don't have one of these devices. Mostly this takes a lot of thumb strength. What you need to understand is each one of these magazines, depending on the size that you have, has a spring inside here. And the more ammunition that we load, the tighter that spring is going to get, and it's going to be harder and harder the further down that you go. Certainly it's not going to be as much with 6 as it is going to be with 17, but either way, it's something you need to practice, because the faster you can load magazines, the more you get to shoot. So let's get started. What you're going to notice about each magazine is that there is a slant to it. Some of them are a little more exaggerated than others. I call this the pointy side. And what I like to do is hold this in your support hand, and I say pointy finger, pointy side. And when we take the round of ammunition, the pointy side is going to be the bullet tip. Pointy finger, pointy side, so that they all go in the right direction. Yes, it is indeed possible to get this in the wrong way. So I have to turn it this way for a moment here. What we want to do is, you can also see on that pointy side, there's an indentation right here about halfway. It's either going to be 1/3 to about halfway down in the magazine. The easiest thing to do is take the back of the case with your strong thumb and press down right at that indentation and slide the round back. The next one gets a little more difficult because these are round, so they're going to roll. What I found is an easy thing to do is to take that thumb, give it a little push down, give it a little head start, and take the second round right at the indentation, push it down, slide it back. Next one, give it a little help, push it down, in and down. I have some people that don't like their thumb, or they don't use it as easily, and they like to use their finger. What I want you to know about this is there's not just the way to do things. There are plenty of a way to do things. So if you want to try your finger, same thing, you're still going to have to give it a little bit of help. Use your first finger if it's stronger, and you can press it down and push it in. My husband likes to do a thumb over thumb approach. Now, I'm not very good at this one, but he can fly doing thumb over thumb. If you can see that from this angle, and I'll probably make these roll, still at the indentation. So we're creating pressure to push it down on the next thumb. So that would be the manual way to do these. I'm just going to push them out. All right, the next way I'm going to show you is to use a speed loader. This particular one is called an Uplula, as you can see the letters here. All right, so you'll see here on the Uplula that they have an imprint right here of a cartridge. And so then you want to make sure that your round looks exactly like the imprint, so to make sure that you get it the right way. Now I'm going to do this backwards of the instructions because I never like a bullet facing me. I like everything to be facing down range in a safe direction. So I'm going to put this on, and I'm also going to use my support hand because my dominant hand has a lot more dexterity to be able to manipulate the rounds. So as I have pointy side, I'm going to set the Uplula right on top of the magazine so that this tongue is facing downrange just as my bullet is facing downrange, and I can still see the imprint here. So just as simply, I'm going to squeeze it in, down, load, and out. So that tongue, this tongue here, is going to push the follower down, or the next round, straight down. I'm going to point this at the camera, hopefully you can see it. Push it straight down, in, down, load, and out. And that's exactly how I teach the ladies to do it, and they'll hear this in their sleep. In, down, load, and out. Is it possible to get these in backwards? It sure is. Ask me how I know. See here? It is possible to do that backwards. So make sure when you're loading these, and I've seen it, that we always have the pointy side, and bullets down range. So if we're following along, you'll get that right each time. What I want to just note is that these particular Uplulas that I have are called universal, which means they are going to be able to be used on single stack magazines, the skinny ones that go down in a straight line, and double stack magazines, which are the wider ones that are going down in a zigzag. And they're also universal because they can be used on calibers from 380 up to 45. So what we note with this is, see how on this double stack it actually is a lot tighter, and on the single stack it's a little wobbly. So if you only have a 380, you can get this just in a 380 and it will fit very nicely and it won't have too much shake for you. Otherwise, if you're going to have a variety of guns, and we hope that you do at some point, you can get the universal. So like I said, it's going to do single stack, double stack, 380 up to 45 ACP. And when you're all done with it, just give it a close, hit the lock switch, and it's a little more compact for taking along in your range bag. I'm Kelly from Armed and Feminine. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. And you know what? We have a ton of other training videos throughout our library. Maybe something there can help you too. Shoot us a like and leave us a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, it's your life, protect it. And protect your thumbs with enough Lula.